Good evening, friends. Myself Pranav Sangle. Today I am here to discuss about on topic clinical data management. In that, clinical research. Firstly, we see what is clinical research. Clinical research is whenever you hear about new medicines, vaccine, or treatment. They all exist. Uh, they they all exist because of clinical research. It is the backbone of modern healthcare, and without it, we wouldn't have the life-saving intervention we rely on today. Uh, Now, main term is clinical research. Clinical research is the process uh, of studying new medical treatments, devices, interventions to ensure they are safe and effective for patients. It involves human volunteers who participate in carefully planned trials under a strict ethical guidelines. There are two major types of clinical research. In that, first is observational study, uh, where researchers observe participants without providing interventions. And now, second one is clinical trials, where researchers test a new treatment of or a therapies of that particular drug. Now we see the each clinical trials follows the a protocol in a detailed plan and outline the objectives, designs, and methodology of the study. So we discuss about why clinical research is important. Improving First is improving treatment. It helps us find better ways to prevent, diagnose, and treat the disease. And second one is ensuring a safety. A new drug or therapeutic undergoes various testing to ensure they are safe for a public and anyone. And now third one is advancing knowledge. It helps to scientists understand how disease work and how they affect the human body. And fourth one is saving lives. Uh, clinical research is Clinical research is saves to diseases like polio, smallpox, and even certain cancers have become a manageable or eradicated. Now we see the phases of clinical trials. Clinical trials are conducted into four phases. Phase one is test a new treatment on a small group of healthy volunteers to assess safety and dosage. Phase second, test on the larger group to evaluate efficacy and side effect. In the phase third is involves a hundred or thousand of patients to confirm effectiveness, monitor a side effect, and compare it to standard treatment. And phase four is also known as post-marketing study. And in post-marketing studies, that monitor a long-term effects and safety of that particular drug. Now we see the ethics and regulations in clinical research. Clinical research must adhere to strict ethical standards to protect participants. That include informed consent, ensuring volunteers are fully aware of risk, and IRB. It means institutional review boards, which review and approve a studies. Globally, clinical research is governed by guidelines like Declaration of Helsinki and Good Clinical Practices. It means GCP. Thank you. That's all about clinical research.